Hello everyone, welcome back to KS Math Academy. In this session, you will learn the problems from exercise 1.2 for class 10 CBSE. So first sum in exercise 1.2 is prove that root 5 is irrational. So for doing this problem, let us assume root 5 is rational. So root 5 will be equal to rational, so it can be taken as P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime numbers. Now do the cross multiplication. So Q times root 5 is equal to P and squaring on both sides. So Q root 5 the whole square is equal to P square. So 5Q square is equal to P square. So take it as equation number 1. So here the number 5 divides P square. So it divides P also. So let us consider the third variable. P is equal to 5 times R. So now here again squaring on both sides. So P square is equal to 5R the whole square. So 25R square. So consider this as your equation number 2. Now substitute your equation number 2 in equation number 1. So 5Q square is equal to, instead of P square, this is 25R square. So now if I am dividing it for 5, so Q square is equal to 5R square. Now look at here. So 5 is a common factor other than 1. So this will contradict our assumption. So you can write your data this way. So 5 is a common factor other than 1. So it contradicts our assumption. What is our assumption? Assumption is root 5 is rational. So it is not rational now. So you can say the root 5 is irrational now. So hence proved. Moving on to the next question. Second question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q. We can assume like this. So assume this is rational number. So P by Q, where again P and Q are co-prime numbers. So we have to take our data as in the previous problem. So now here 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. Take LCM. So P minus 3Q divided by Q and keep only root 5 on the left side. So P minus 3Q divided by 2Q, and in the previous problem we know root 5 is irrational, isn't it? So but root 5 is irrational, that we have proved in the first problem. If you want, you can include those steps also if the mark is high. So here root 5 is irrational. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is also irrational. So this will contradict our assumption. So hence there is a contradiction to our assumption. So we can say 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Hence proved. So if the mark is for higher side, then you can give all the steps to prove your root 5 is irrational. Otherwise it is okay. Moving to the third question, prove that the following are irrational. In the first subdivision, 1 by root 2. So let us assume the same procedure. 1 by root 2 is rational. So depending upon the mark in the question paper, you can give your lengthy explanation or short explanation. So 1 by root 2 is equal to P by Q or A by B, whatever. So P and Q are co-prime numbers, are co-prime integers. So if we do like this, root 2 is equal to Q by P. So again Q by P is also rational. So but left hand side root 2 is irrational. So there is a contradiction. So you can say 1 by root 2 is irrational. Hence proved. Coming to the second subdivision question, 7 root 5. So again let us assume 7 root 5 is rational. So 7 root 5 is equal to, you can take a by b also. So a and b are co-prime numbers. And root 5 is equal to a divided by 7 times b. Here a and b are integers. And a by 7b is rational. But left hand side data root 5 is irrational. But root 5 is irrational. So here in between we are having the equal sign. There is a contradiction. So there is a this contradict our fact. So there is a contradiction. Hence you can declare that 7 root 5, that is our question. So 7 root 5 is irrational number. Hence proved. Coming to the last question in exercise 1.2, 6 plus root 2. So let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. So 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, and a and b are co-prime numbers or co-prime integers. So root 2 is equal to a divided by b minus 6. So take LCM. So a minus 6 times b. So we know that a minus 6b divided by b is rational, but the left side data root 2 is irrational. So here is a contradiction. So there is, you can write, there is a contradiction. Hence 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Hence proved. Meet you in the next video. Bye.